All right, day one. We have already taken off the panels all around the shed. It was really bad in this section here, as you can see in the first pictures. It was all rotten. It was rotten in this section here. So we ended up peeling off the whole thing, all around it. It's near the canal, so a lot of humidity coming in. So that's why the wood got rotten. So yeah, we're done for today. It was really hard to remove these panels off the walls. So we're kind of beat with the heat. So we're gonna take a break and come back tomorrow and we go install the plywood and the limit and then the Duroc. It's 7 in the morning, day 2 of this project. We're getting ready, we're prepping all the walls again. We're taking all the screws, the nails, so we can start installing all the new plywood and then the siding boards. So we're being cleaned now, ready to go. Well, project's done. The Duroc is up on the trim. Look at this. Looks so freaking nice. Remember this side with the first video I showed you? It was all rotten. There were big holes in the wall. Everything's being replaced.